Scott do not read Harry Potter's book in 9 a.m. Okay, I saw my camera and this is my book over here. Today is 9 a.m. Okay, red, yellow. Today, I'm gonna show you there's ghost over here, like it. Over here, and over that bedroom, you can see it's over this TV. This bedroom over there, and this bathroom, and this two are really creepy, and this Hot Wheels. And then I hear a lot of sounds coming from there. I'm very scared right now. So okay. I'm reading books like this. This is Harry Potter. Wait. Okay. You can see it because it's looks like. Okay. I'm reading. Another way it goes. So I know this is a burrow. Wait, where is chapter 2? I read chapter 3. Okay, I think to here. Okay, over here. I hear barking sounds. Later in 9:24, it starts happening. So you need to quietly listen. Wait. So I hear vacuum start on my ear. I hear inside. Over my behind, I hear over here. It's over here. Over this wall. You know, I take it. Now it's 9:10. Clearly see 9:10. See the flowers and the view. Just look at it. So this is my dead leaf, but cool down a lot, and with dead leaf and to go. And this is my onions and my vegetables. And this is my flower. It didn't know where is my flower. And this is my young leaf. And this is my favorite. And this is my favorite too. And this is chilies. And this is the flowers. And this a bloom a lot of flowers over there also. It's already 5 minutes recording. Right. Let me draw the book again. I did like this. Okay. I think okay. Like this. Okay. Let me quietly listen. I didn't share anything because my ear got vacuum sounds. Wait, I found something. You can see it says here. It says caution, do not touch. Curse had claimed the lives of 19 dollars on the date. Who are the owners of date? Oh, I read it here. Oh, I think it's gonna be added. It's already 10:30. You can see 10:30 is a little bit bright. Okay, this 10:30. And yeah, let me add a video. I saw sounds. Oh my god. I hear sounds. So thanks for watching. I see a little bit clicked up right here. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you later. Bye bye.